Dear students, welcome to our channel. If you want to learn English to speak fluently, then you must know 60 English speaking sentences that we use in our daily life. So let's get started our today lesson. Don't take long. Don't take long. Don't do this. Don't do this. Is it true? Is it true? I paid the money. I paid the money. He is fond of eating. He is fond of eating. Why are you silent? Why are you silent? I will call you when we go. I will call you when we go. He knows all about it. He knows all about it. The weather has suddenly turned bad. The weather has suddenly turned bad. Should I bring it? Should I bring it? Did you get my point? Did you get my point? Get ready for work. Get ready for work. I am confused. I am confused. Close the book. Close the book. Where is the pen? Where is the pen? Is it freezing outside? Is it freezing outside? Let's go to a movie. Let's go to a movie. Have a pleasant journey. Have a pleasant journey. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? May I speak to her? May I speak to her? I don't have any other options. I don't have any other options. I ate too much. I ate too much. Where is the waiting room? Where is the waiting room? I can't find them. I can't find them. Your stomach must be full. Your stomach must be full. They are not there. They are not there. Mind your step. Mind your step. As you think, so you become. As you think, so you become. You are doing what she is doing. You are doing what she is doing. Are you imitating her? Are you imitating her? Don't imitate her. Don't imitate her. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. I have already checked there. I have already checked there. Where are my pants? Where are my pants? Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. I am on a diet. I am on a diet. They came from park. They came from park. Are you a teacher? Are you a teacher? How do you feel? How do you feel? You acted very smart. You acted very smart. Give me a hint. Give me a hint. How do I look? How do I look? I am not in a hurry. I am not in a hurry. It is almost evening. It is almost evening. This is not fair. This is not fair. Do you speak Turkish language? Do you speak Turkish language? Where are you? Where are you? That is not right. That is not right. Do you have a chair? Do you have a chair? Are you eating something? Are you eating something?